Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Neha. In this video, I am going to talk about few tips that are useful to make your answer more subjective. Today, students are confused. They are not confused about the syllabi, they are not confused about where to read, but they are confused about the subject knowledge test, the subjective test that is going to be held now for EMRS Tier 2 and for KVS NVS Tier 2. But I tell you, if you include these 4 to 5 things in your answer will give clarity to you and it will give clarity to the examiner also. By now, for EMRS, only 10 days are left. And for KVS NVS exam, approximately 15 days are left. So what has to be done now? You have to start practicing your answer writing skills. Your pen should start flowing now. By now, running. You should start writing answer practice, reading section, writing section, grammar section and literature section. From now onwards, please abstain yourself from reading anything new. But this video, because it is particularly about the answer, what will go on the sheet of your paper and how it will look, please view this video up till end. First of all, if the question comes from literature section, obviously it will come from literature section. What you have to do, I am talking about subjective paper, descriptive paper. You have to restate the statement. What has been asked in the question, just restate it. आप उसे दोबारा से state कीजिए ताकि एक connect develop करने के लिए, एक clarity develop करने के लिए कि ये इस answer की बात ये पूछा गया है तो उन्हीं key facts को highlight किया गया है. सेकेंड, अपने लैंग्वेज पर ध्यान दीजिए. लैंग्वेज सिंपल हो लेकिन ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट हो. अगर लैंग्वेज में उस तरीके की वोकैबुलरी यूज की गई है जो उस आंसर में जस्टिफाई करती है या उस आंसर को वैलिडेट करती है तो उससे बेटर कुछ नहीं है. मेरा कहने का मतलब है, इफ द क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम T.S. Eliot's The Wasteland, you know that it's a master work. It's a major work it runs across 5 sections. So your vocabulary has to be so much appropriate that you are talking about modernism. You are talking about the key terms that are present in that poem. Key themes: disorientation, disillusionment, modern day decay, and थर्ड थिंग, you must use quotations. मैं मानती हूँ 4 नंबर के क्वेश्चन में quotations को ऐड करना अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं माना जाता है, बट आपको किसने कहा है कि आप 4 to 5 लाइन्स की quotation को ऐड कीजिए. What you can do is, you can take phrases from the text itself and then reuse it in your answer as per the question asked. This will give the examiner an idea that the candidate has gone through the complete text and he or she is very much aware about the phrases that are present in the text and those phrases, they represent the modern decay in T.S. Eliot's The Wasteland. So you should pick up the phrases from the text. And ये बात मैंने आज नहीं, आज से पहले आने वाली हर वीडियो में कहा है. As you prepare for your objective, start collecting material for subjective exam also. Start note making for subjective also. But right now, abstain from learning, making anything new. आपको जो है, जितना है, आपको उसमें से ही प्रैक्टिस करना है, लेकिन अपनी स्पीड को, टाइम लिमिट को ध्यान में रखते हुए करना है. नाउ इट इज अ टाइम यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर स्पीड. नाउ इट इज अ टाइम यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर टाइम लिमिट, योर स्पीड लिमिट. आपकी स्पीड होनी चाहिए कि आप अपना कंप्लीट पेपर टाइमली पूरा कर पाए और आपकी स्पीड इतनी होनी चाहिए कि टाइम लिमिट के अंदर आप एक आंसर को कंप्लीट कर पाए. EMRS, KVS, NVS के कैंडिडेट्स, प्लीज, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, स्टार्ट आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस. किसी भी सेक्शन को लाइटली मत लीजिएगा, चाहे वो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन हो, चाहे वो ग्रामर सेक्शन हो. रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन एंड ग्रामर सेक्शन, बोथ ऑफ देम will take your minimum time but will give you maximum marks. Did you hear that? Especially grammar section will take minimum of your time but will give you maximum of your marks. So there is no harm in practicing grammar section, reading section, writing section at least 2 hours a day. Please do make it a habit right now. Then in your 4 number ka question also, there should be an introduction, there should be a line of introduction, there should be 2 to 3 lines of body, and please do conclude your answer. It will give examiner an idea that you are coherent about your thoughts, you have the clarity as to what you are writing. And last but not the least, dear students, please use facts, please use correct information. There is no need of using flowery language. You can use facts. Writing section में facts का use बहुत अच्छे से आप कर सकते हैं, article writing में, paragraph writing में. तो this video is just to request all you people, all my favorite candidates, all my dear candidates, please start working yourself on your speed, on your time limit. Start practicing answer writing sections. और next video में I will give you a list of 5 questions जो आप attempt करेंगे, हम check करेंगे, and the fee for that evaluation will be just ₹99. So stay tuned for more, because we are going to bring up 5 most important question, and it's a series that we are going to start. 5 पे 5 questions आपके पास आते जाएंगे YouTube चैनल के थ्रू. आप उन्हें अटेम्प्ट कीजिए, इवेल्युएट कराइए. इवेल्युएशन में आपको फीडबैक मिलेगा, मार्क्स मिलेगा, और आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट कहाँ चाहिए, कितनी चाहिए, हर चीज आपको बताई जाएगी. सो वेट फॉर दोज 5 क्वेश्चंस फॉर माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अप टिल नेक्स्ट, keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing. I wish you all the very best. Please do like, share this video.